Now today I will not be worrying. And tomorrow I will not, I don't need to worry. That's what most of us happen. Most of us suffer. But the reality is that for anybody in life, just put the slide so that your past is just a trail left behind. This is a boat. Say this is where a boat goes. Right now you are in the skill tree. Let's say you are in the skill tree. Now you are all in a boat and you are heading towards somewhere. But if suppose you all stuck in the past, this is the past. You are stuck in the past, worrying about the past, what happened. Whatever happened, whatever it is, whether personally, professionally, socially, economically, whatever it is. If you are stuck in the past and keep worrying about it, what happens is you are not actually focused on the future. And the current moment, whatever you are, is not because of your past. The current moment you are because of the right now, whatever you do today is going to actually make you what you are tomorrow. Whatever the small steps you make, whatever the small steps you take, whatever it is, whether it is going to be career, whether it is going to be a family, whether it is going to be your relationship, whatever it is, your health. Your future is right now is in your hands. Am I right or wrong? You agree? So this workshop is going to be basically, a friend is going to help you prioritize whatever you exactly want. Whatever you exactly want in life, and how to frame out a small plan so that after 3 years or 4 years, 5 years, you don't worry that if I had taken that route, I would have been something else. And I have taken something and I have landed up in something which I don't want. So most of us do that. And the sad thing is that our educational system is like that all of us go through around 20 years in a small classroom, and we don't have full freedom to choose whatever the learning we need to undergo. So if suppose you are taught mathematics, you need to learn no matter what. If you are in 10th standard, you need to undergo that subject, even if you don't like it. There may be a genius sitting somewhere at the corner. He may be a genius in, say, physics, and that guy doesn't like mathematics. But I think if he doesn't clear that subject, he is not going to go through out of the school. And he is not going to get a diploma or a degree where he is going to land up in a job. So let us not worry about the system. But right now, once you are come out of the system, the world is different and you need to face it. And if you really want to face it, you need to have only one thing, to find out what exactly you want. And if you don't go exactly what you want, and you start comparing with somebody else, say a guy who is sitting there, who is there in your neighbor, who is going to America, he has gone TCS, he has gone into a software development, you also go to software development, do like that. And I don't know, I think most of you have chosen sales. That itself says that you have chosen the right track. Because I think ultimately in life is how do you sell? Whether it is going to be information technology product or whether it is going to be even say a small, say Nyandaranga chips, kuda sell panina avana. Illana you cannot help it. Even if you produce any product you produce, it has to be sold. And if you don't sell, the company is not going to get the revenue, and the employees are not going to stay, the employer is not going to survive. And that has been a hard learning for me as a technologist. I started my career just around 3-4 years of experience. But the moment I got into a startup, 1 year I finished the startup. 1 year my startup, a guy who came out from Silicon Valley, he created a product. The only thing what we lacked was we are not unable to sell the product, whatever we have done. So that is the ultimate thing. So what exactly you want in life, and that determines where exactly you are going. If you see Microsoft statement, they say that where do you want to go? The same thing. Where do you want to go? And if you know where exactly you are going, then I'm 100% sure you are heading to the right path. Whatever it is, whether you make it or not, whether you achieve 20% or 30% or 40% or say 70% or 90%, at least you make 10% or whatever you